I'm going to be making a dropshipping store from complete scratch with $0. Now I'm going to be showing you the step-by-step tutorial of how to do this as well. Now a lot of people think that you cannot start a Dropify shipping store without any money, but today I'm going to be trying to prove them wrong, and I want to make at least $1,000. So at the end of the video, I'll show you guys the results, but let's get to the first day. So the things today I want to do is set up my Shopify website, find a product, and then find a great supplier. Now when you're looking for a product, I'm just going to be using TikTok organically because that is 100% free, and that is how you find up and coming products. And for my website, I'm going to be using Shopify and their free trial, which will also cost us $0. Now I'll be advertising on TikTok mainly, here and there on Pinterest and Instagram. Now I know that this works because I have actually done it in the past and I have made a good amount of money just using $0. Now the way I'll be getting sales is kind of making a viral like video and using other videos to reference my own videos. Now I may even be downloading other past videos and just re-uploading them so I can gain some traction. So here's how I find most of my viral products that make me thousands of dollars. First thing you want to do is go to the search bar and you're going to want to search up TikTok made me buy it. This is also kind of saturated, so you could also do around what season it is. So for example, it is Halloween right now, so I could be Halloween must buys. So after you search up TikTok made me buy it, in the top right you have to press those two lines and then you want to put to this week. Now also for this you're gonna put most liked. So technically what this will do is just show you all the viral products that are up and coming and have gone viral in the past week. Now I'm just gonna be scrolling and trying to find a great product, but already as you can see, it is super simple to find products. Now what I also found was these magic wands. But I feel like it is kind of saturated, but this is a great product just for making some money in the short term, and you guys can even use this product once you watch this video. So as you can see, these videos were pretty recent, but not insanely recent. So the magic wand is the product that we'll be doing. So now it's time to find the supplier. Now what I do is use CJ Dropshipping, and I'll show you guys a very easy way to find a great supplier in the US. So once you have your store open, you're gonna want to press on apps. You're gonna go to CJ Dropshipping. Now once it loads, you will be on the home page of CJ Dropshipping, and you're just gonna search up your product. It may take a little bit of scrolling to find your product, because it is kind of hard to find the exact product you're looking for. As you can see right away, I have found these products right here, and these are exactly what I'm trying to sell. So I'm gonna press on it and I'm gonna like it, and then CJ makes it super easy so that you could just press list and it'll go straight to your Shopify store. So as you can see, they have all these options, and they also have USB, which is exactly what I want. Now if we go over to the shipping, it says 10 to 20 days. Now a lot of you guys may say that's pretty long, but that's actually really quick for drop shipping. If you do think that that is taking too long, then you can go to a different supplier and find their shipping. And normally you'll find to a little 7 to 14 day shipping on CJ Dropshipping. This is because they might have their items in the US already, so they could just ship it straight to the buyer. So as you guys can see, it says that I already have it listed on my account. So what we are gonna do is look at the total dropshipping price, and we want it at least 2 times that price. Since we are using no advertisement, it won't actually cost us anything for ads. So you just want to 2 times it. Shipping method, there's only one shipping method. And what you want to do is just input the 2 times price here. So I would put $99.95. But I already have this on our website. All right, now is the hard part, making the website. So I do have multiple tutorials on my YouTube on how to make the website, so you could press one of the links up here. But also watch through this little tutorial right now if you want to just get the gist of how to make your website, and it'll give you all the steps to making it. So let's get right into it. Now for this example, I'm gonna be using a website that I already have and have been using for a while. It is actually a Halloween niche store, and I'm doing a giveaway right now for it. But for this example, I'm just gonna be showing you how you can edit your own website. So you're gonna wanna go to free themes on the online store section and just explore them. Now let's say you like ride. You're gonna add the theme to your library, and we're just gonna open it up, and I'm gonna show you how to edit it right now. All right, so after you download the theme, just press customize, and I'm gonna show you how to customize it. So as you can see, it will give you a free logo, and it'll kind of have like this default font. Now what you're gonna wanna do is choose 3 colors that match your product. Usually I'll recommend white, black, and then any color you want. So for this example, I'm gonna just say that our product color is blue. Now you're gonna make all these blue and make sure that it's the same by using the recently selected. Second thing you're gonna wanna do is make sure that you could actually see the buttons. So for text, I'm gonna make it white. Solid button label, I'm gonna make it white. And now you can see that we have 3 colors on my website. We have black, white, and blue. Now for the announcement bar, put a little deal. So if you're doing a 1 product store, then I would recommend just deleting these stuff. You don't need this. And also when you are editing, you want to edit on mobile because everyone on your website is going to be on mobile. The button label, you could just put your product. So now that we have our website ready, then we're going to have to start advertising on TikTok.
The next day.
Good morning, guys. So it is day 2 now, and we're gonna want to start advertising our product. So we have our website ready, and as I already told you guys, it is a niche store, so I'll show it to you guys right now. Now, as you can see, I have the product in costumes, Halloween clothing. So as I told you guys, it is a niche store, so I can't really just like make a whole separate website. That would take way too much time. So here's the whole product page. 2 reviews. We have the overview, we have a little gift. People love gifts. And we have cautions. And then you have you may also like, and then we have all this stuff down here. Now right here, it just looks kind of good. You select something, it goes straight to it. Harry Potter wand. These wands are all characters from Harry Potter, so Baltimore is probably the most bought one because look how cool it looks. I actually want that low key. So we're gonna search up Harry Potter wand. Oops, Gary Potter.
Man, I'm dead.
So as you can see right away, 1.2 million likes, and it says don't let your boyfriend see this toy. And since we're doing this challenge free, we can't buy the product and make videos like this. So instead, I'm just going to be downloading all these videos and just reposting them on my own website. So guys, I have 6 videos ready to upload, and I'm gonna be uploading them throughout this day, and I'm gonna show you guys the results at the end of the day. So as you guys can see, we uploaded 4 videos on our first day. They all did pretty well and averaged around 80 likes. Now let's check the results on our Shopify website analytics. So as you can see, we only had 22 sessions on the first day where we uploaded the video. And we had 1 order, but it wasn't for that product. So the day after, we had 32 sessions, and it didn't really get any better. We had 0 add to carts, 0 reach checkouts, and 0 sessions converted. Now as you can see, they're all direct, which means that people are searching up our website from our bio most likely. So now it's the 3rd day and something exciting happens. 23 sessions, 1 person reached checkout. So somebody was actually contemplating on buying our product, which is really good. And I'll get back to you guys tomorrow and let's see if we made any sales. So guys, since that last video, it has been 3 days. So I have some great results. So guys, the day right after I recorded that video, we actually got a sale. The sale was for $104. You may be like, why is it so much money? Now first let me show you our conversion rate and then I'll explain how much. So as you can see, our conversion rate was 1% technically, and we had 6 added to carts and 4 reach checkouts. Now on this day we had 37 sessions, and then our returning customer rate was actually 1. As you can see, he ordered the Fireball Voldemort wand like I actually thought people would. Now what made us an extra $5? Priority mail. We have 2 options on our website. Free shipping, which I always include in my websites, and then we have priority mail. For this product, we can't actually give him priority mail, but for all my other products, I do offer priority mail, which is actually way quicker. Now just for this sale alone, we made a great profit, and I'll show you guys that at the end of the video. As you guys can see, 2 days ago, we actually got another sale. Now this was for $84 because he did not choose priority shipping, and also I decreased the price of the product because I thought that would increase our sales, but it actually just left them the same. Our sessions over the last 3 days were 144. And I'll show you guys some of the videos that we also uploaded. So as you can see, all our sessions, or most of them, were from direct. So now let's get to profits. So first of all, let's go over full net profit, which means before expenses. So as you guys can see, we made $189. Now this is not the $1,000 goal we wanted to reach, but that's because I wasn't consistent with uploading. Now let's go over expenses. So as you guys can see, we already shipped out the item, and in total it costed $43 for us. Now the supplier already shipped out the item, which is really good because that means it will be getting to our buyer's house very soon, and then maybe we'll even get more sales from that. Since both items costed around $44, we're just gonna say that in total it was $88. Now we made $189, and then we minus 88 from that. That means we made $101 profit. Yep, there's no other expenses, no fees. There's also no ad cost, so that's all pure profit. $101, baby. Make sure to leave down a like, and that really helps me, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.